Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Gemini AI for photo editing help. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So if you want to use Gemini AI for photo editing, it's a very simple and easy process. As you can see, I have my Google Gemini opened right here in Google Chrome browser. All you need to do is click on the plus icon, click on the upload files, and then select the photo that you want to go ahead and edit. Now, what I'm going to do is simply go ahead and ask it exactly and specifically what I want in this image. This image is blurry. I want the text to be bolder, darker, and more discreet, and the white to be more clear. And now all I need to do is simply go ahead and click on submit, and it is going to go ahead and take a little bit of time of processing, but it is going to go ahead and give me back exactly what I asked for. Keep in mind, this is my before image. Now let's wait for the after image, okay? Now, as you can see, this is my after image, which is a lot more clearer and it shows me exactly what is written. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.